In this video, I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Instagram. Go into your Instagram profile, tap on the three lines at the top right-hand side, tap on Account Center, scroll downwards, tap on Password and Security. You'll see two-factor authentication, tap on it. So here you are to choose an account to set up two-factor authentication. As you can see here, it's just one account here. So I'm going to tap on it. Two-factor authentication helps protect your account. Whenever you log in on a device that is not recognized by Instagram, or if someone logs in on a device that is not recognized by Instagram, a code will be sent to you to confirm it. There are two ways to set up your two-factor authentication. Okay, the first one is authentication app. The second one is SMS or WhatsApp. So I'm going to use the WhatsApp. Then I'll go to next and tap on it. So you will see here, it says confirm your number for two-factor authentication. So my number is correct. I'm going to tap on that. If the number is not correct, you can tap on change phone number and key in the right number. So you see here, two-factor authentication is now on. So whenever you log in on a device that Instagram does not recognize, a code will be sent to you to activate the login. Or if someone logs in with your information, a code also will be sent to you to confirm the login. So I'm going to tap on done. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing, and sharing. Click the video that appears if you want to learn how to turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram. I'll see you in the next video.